Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Fiesta alternator. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery. This prevents electrical shorts and potential injury. Next, you'll need to gain access to the alternator, which often involves removing the air filter housing and other components. Make sure your engine is completely cool before you begin this process to avoid burns. Once you have clear access, disconnect the electrical connector from the alternator. Then, remove the main power cable, usually secured with a nut. Next, locate the serpentine belt tensioner. Use an appropriate wrench to loosen it, relieving tension on the belt. With the tension released, carefully slide the serpentine belt off the alternator pulley. This step is crucial for freeing the alternator. Now, it's time to remove the mounting bolts that hold the alternator in place. There are typically 2 or 3 bolts. Locate them and use the correct size socket to remove them. Pay close attention to any spacers or brackets, as they must be reinstalled correctly. Once all bolts are out, gently wiggle the alternator to break it free from its mounting points. It might be snug, but it should come loose. With the alternator free, carefully maneuver it out of the engine bay. It can be a tight fit, so take your time. To install the new alternator, simply reverse these steps. Ensure all connections are secure and the serpentine belt is correctly routed. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Reconnect your battery, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.